Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. I am Snehal. Today we are going to learn about biogeochemical cycle. Now let us start. Now before that, what is biogeochemical cycle? And we are going to learn four cycles of it, that is water cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle and oxygen cycle in detail. Let us start by what is biogeochemical cycle. Biogeochemical cycles are the transfer of matter and energy between the biotic and abiotic components of the biosphere. Biotic means living things, abiotic means non-living things. Biosphere means where the narrow space where the life is exist. And in that, the matter and the energy between the biotic and the abiotic components of the biosphere. It is the transfer of the matter and energy. Now, I said there are four cycles. Now, let us start the cycles that are water cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, oxygen cycle in detail. First one, water cycle. I think everyone know about water cycle. First, the water bodies of seas, rivers, lakes, ponds are heated up during the day because of the sun heat. They rise up and forms as a water vapor and some due to the some biological activities like respiration and transpiration. Respiration does by animals and humans, transpiration is done by plants. As water vapor rise, it cools and condenses to form as tiny droplets that appear as the clouds. When the tiny droplets of water join together one, it forms a big drop of water. They fall down as a rain, hail, or snow. Some of these enters to the groundwater too. When water flows from the land to the seas, it carries many nutrients and minerals which are used by the marine organisms. Marine organisms are the organisms which live in a seas or any water bodies. Now the picture of water cycle. Now the second cycle is nitrogen cycle. Let us see. Nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen in the atmosphere is fixed into nitrogen compounds in the soil by nitrogen fixing bacteria in the root nodules of leguminous plants and also during lightning. These nitrogen compounds are taken by plants and used to make proteins which animals eat. They also get protein from them. When plants and animals die, bacteria convert the protein into nitrogen compounds like nitrates and nitrates. Other bacteria convert these nitrogen compounds back into nitrogen in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is essential component of biological molecules like protein, nucleic acids and some vitamins too. Now the picture of it. Now the third one is carbon cycle. Carbon. In the outside we see carbon as a carbon dioxide which is taken by plants. And carbon dioxide is helped the plants to make glucose. And this process is called photosynthesis. The glucose is used to provide energy and convert into them organic compounds. When animals eat plants, it enters the body of animals. During respiration, energy and carbon dioxide are produced. The carbon dioxide go back into atmosphere. Another process which adds carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere is the combustion of fuels like coal and petroleum. The organic compound in plant and animals are also converted into limestone, coal, petroleum, exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is shells of the animals and carbonates. Carbon is essential component of biological chemical molecules like carbon, like fats, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, nucleic acid, etc. Now the picture of it. Now the last one, but not least, it's the main for us. It's oxygen cycle. Oxygen is important for everyone. Oxygen is the atmosphere is used to respiration, combustion, formation of oxide of elements. Oxygen is sent back into the atmosphere during photosynthesis. Oxygen is an essential component of biological molecules like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. See, this is the cycle. Is the picture. When we release the carbon dioxide, the plant take the carbon dioxide to rest, to make food, and it releases the oxygen. And again we breathe, and we release the carbon dioxide. Again plant use it, and again it's create the oxygen and give it, and again we breathe it. This is the cycle of oxygen cycle, and this all cycles are endless process. Now we have came to end. Thank you. I think you have understood all biogeochemical cycles. I am taking a leave now of this video. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you a lot.